Hi, this is Mohammad Ali Munshi, and do subscribe to One Take, which is your one-stop shop for everything that's hot and happening in the entertainment industry.
ये प्रेस का बंद है बस आगे चले पीछे चले पीछे आप चलते रहिए।